She looks over at me, and I look over at her, and I'm like, girl, I don't think I'm gonna make it.
Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, pretty, pretty.
Guys, hello. Welcome to a new week. Oh my god. Guys, a whirlwind has happened. Okay, going into the new week. So, Monday, called out of work. Okay, called out of work on Monday. Why, you may ask? Homegirl got a stomach virus. How did this happen? I do not know. Like, well, I do know. My child. Remember, I was feeling her forehead. I was like, you feel kind of warm. You feel kind of warm. But I was like, oh, shit. It's nothing. She's been underneath the covers. She's whatever. Fine. Yeah, everything is not fine. So I full on have a stomach virus. I stayed home Monday. I was like, cool. 24-hour stomach virus. Cool, 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 cool. We're good. We're good. We're amazing. Quick little poopies. Like, quick little go to bathroom for the whole day. Should be out of our system. Oh my god. Guys, I get to work today. Today is Tuesday. I get to work today. And I'm like, I was fine this morning. I'm like, my stomach feels kind of, it's kind of doing knots. Like, I was like, what's going on? What's going on? Oh my god. Guys, next thing you know, I'm in that bathroom twice before anyone gets to work, because I get to work really early. Twice I'm in that bathroom. And then when it really hit me, when I was like, I need to leave, one of my coworkers was in the bathroom, and she came out of the bathroom and she announced to all of us, oh my god, there was a poor girl in the bathroom throwing up. I will not confirm or deny whether that girl was me. Oh my god. And that's when I knew I needed to go home. That's when I knew I needed to go home. I was like, Tiffany, go home. Go home. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. Go home. And that's what I did. I took my ass home, guys. I'm sick, and I know it seems like I'm fine. Yeah, I seem fine in the face, but my body is not fine. My body's going through some things. Okay? It's going through some things, and I'm just like, I haven't had a stomach virus and I don't know how long. Like, maybe food poisoning, yes, but stomach virus where my stomach's actually turning. I don't feel well. Like, I feel like I'm like cold sweats, hot flat. Like, I haven't felt that in so long. I don't know. Listen. I just want to, every few seconds, I just feel like I'm gonna, don't do that. Don't do that. Every few seconds, I feel like I want to hurl. Like, I want to hurl. Like, I literally want to throw up. And I'm just like, please. Do you understand when you barely have enough in your system and you're throwing up? You're throwing up yellow. Oh my god. Sorry. You're throwing up yellow. Yellow. The whole time, I'm looking over. I'm working. I look over at my coworker. And my coworker look over at me because she knows what I'm going through. She looks over at me. And I look over at her, and I'm like, girl, I don't think I'm gonna make it. I don't think I'm gonna make it. Because I'm like, I'm gonna throw up all over this desk. All over this desk right now. Like, guys, I don't know what martyr I thought I was going into work, but that Oh my god. My stomach is killing me. Killing me. Like, I'm just like, I can't. I don't know. Anyway, guys, that's what just happened. And apologies to my coworkers in advance. And I'm very sorry for coming in because I know you guys are like, what the fuck? So every time I made it to the bathroom though, I didn't, put my sickness on blast. But yeah, that was my experience today. And I'm home early from work. It is like 1 something. I made it until like 12. I sure did. I made it till 12. I got a lot done. Made it till 12. Okay. That's all they got out of me. That's all they got out of me because I was dead. I don't even want to talk about it. Anyway, that's what happened today. And I'm going to turn the camera off. Oh, excuse me. I'm going to turn the camera off. Oh my God. Sorry. Make me some tea. Get out of these clothes. Which is a waste of an outfit. It was so cute. I had some nice shoes to go with this too. It was so cute. Get out these clothes and lay my ass down. Maybe eat a pretzel or two. I have had nothing but pretzels today. Oh, sorry. I had nothing but pretzels today because I couldn't handle anything. And my coworker. Okay, so we have like these snacks in the back. And I was getting a peanut butter bar with like peanuts and granola and all the rest of the stuff. And she looked at me and she was like, I don't think you want that. She was just like, I think you need something that's plain. That's not going to interrupt your stomach. I was like, you're right. You're right. And I went back and she was like, they got pretzels? And I was like, yeah. And she was like, go get the pretzels. So this morning I only had green tea and pretzels. And that held me down. That held me down until it didn't. Until it didn't. And I'm like, all right, I'm going home, guys. I tried. But anyway, that's what I'm gonna go do. I shall talk to you guys later. Bye. Hello. Okay. So I'm going to Trader Joe's. It's actually really freaking nice outside. Hi. It's actually really freaking nice outside, and now I'm convinced me and Zoe need to go to the beach, like after I come back from Trader Joe's. Like, it is gorgeous out, absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so I'm going to Trader Joe's. My daughter put me on blast. She said, Mom, why aren't you cooking? Like, what's going on? Like, we need some home food. Like, what? I have been ordering out so much, guys. I've just been in a really hectic headspace, and I have a lot going on in my personal life, and I'm just like, girl, she's like, I've been eating Moe's and Chipotle and pizza for way too long. She's like, what's going on? Where's the food? And I'm just so tired. Like, I'm mentally drained, mentally exhausted, and I just don't have it in me for the most part. But she's right. I need to kind of get back to what I love, and that's cooking. But I just been like so uninspired recently, and it's getting hard for me to kind of jump back on that horse. But I'm gonna do it. I'm going to Trader Joe's. I'm gonna buy a bunch of ingredients that I would normally buy, just so I can make like anything on the whim, whether that be rice and chicken or steak or anything like that. So that's what I'm doing. It's just so hard, guys. It's really, really hard when you're just like not inspired. Also, like, new recipe wise, I'm also not inspired. Guys, oh my god, I'm being bold today, so I'm losing more weight, right? And look, the tummy's out, child. The tummy's out. Ah, who the fuck is she? Oh, I forgot to close my door. It's actually fucking hot outside. I'm actually debating if I should turn back around and put on some goddamn shorts. Woo! I'm thinking about the shorts, child, because it's hot. Actually, the shorts may happen. I'll pick you back up in a second. 1 second. Guys, it's literally so packed in here. I think somebody likes the waffles from here. Oh my god, back in the day, this used to be the worst angle for me, but now it's not that bad. I lost so much weight, guys. Okay, I'm still gonna get food that you don't have to, that I don't have to cook. I'm so sorry, guys. Like, my days be hectic. I'm not, so I will be cooking her up some soup dumplings. Yes, I'm gonna do it. Because I don't have the time to be cooking like that, so it is what it is. I wonder if they have like, has anyone tasted this? I don't know if I want it. That kind of a lot of these things are stuff that you would put in the air fryer, but I'm not sure if I want to put them in. Well, not even not sure. I don't have an air fryer. Let's start off with that one. Let me see what chips we want. My pants are falling down. Like, I need a whole new wardrobe. Actually, no, I just need to take out my old stuff. Oh my god, so many of the things here are made to be put in the air fryer. I don't have an air fryer. Seasoned waffle fry. I can't resist. Like, I have to have it. Well, let's do chips. Where are you guys going? What is going on? Oh yeah, she likes popcorn. Let's get the popcorn. I always have to get the butter chicken so she can like make it on her own. Oh, seaweed chips. Need a good seaweed chip. This is looking like, majority of the time I don't trust Trader Joe's food. It doesn't be coming out right half the time. But let's see what we work with. If it's the right price, I may do it. Right. They got some drumsticks for like $4.54, and it's the right amount. So they have fresh corn. I love that. So I have two most important ingredients. That's chicken and I have fish. So that's so nice in here. Okay. You have to make sure that it's actual chicken nuggets because, guys, I get the vegan chicken nuggets so many times and I don't mean to, and I hate it when I do that shit. Okay, so it looks good. I'm done. Oh no, the milk.
Get on that skew. Then put onion.
Oh yes. With this cream cheese.
Sour cream and love it. What's on the inside?
I think we're all good in the hood, guys. I don't think we need anything else. I should probably get peanuts because I don't eat a lot, and when I get snackish, I think the best thing to eat is some damn peanuts. So let's look. I have a favorite. Ah, there they go. These are my favorite peanuts ever. But they're so expensive. They're not like expensive, but they're expensive for some goddamn peanuts. They're like $7 per fucking peanuts. Like, please. I'll go here. Oh wait, I need vinegar. Guys, like, I'm forgetting everything. Zoe loves vinegar for her sandwiches.
Spaghetti? Trying to get ready?
Sorry, thank you. Your dress is so pretty.
Yeah. And then we also
I got it. Red wine vinegar. She's gonna love it. Okay, we're about to see the damage that is done. Because Lord knows, I get in here and I literally lose my fucking mind. Like, I start grabbing everything. So yeah, about to pay for all this stuff. I will see you guys back in the car. Guys, we made off. Like, why are my heated seats on? Guys, it is 83 degrees outside.
inside your heart. Is there any room for me?
It is like 83 degrees outside and it's fucking hot as shit. So no, we do not need heated seats on. But yeah, we made out like bandits, honey. Bandits. Because why everything only come up to $111? I was like, oh, I'll take it. I was like, let me exit stage left before they find out they made a mistake or something. I was like, let me get out of here. So we're out. I think I want to stop at Aldi's because, oh no, I'm just gonna I know where I need to get these rolls for my daughter's sandwiches during the week, and I'm just going to go get it. Like, I need to stop playing games so I can get out these streets and get to the beach. Yes, we're going to the beach. Yeah, I need gas though. I'm totally out of gas. Like I'm on fucking zero. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna go to my local supermarket and just grab some bread rolls, I should say, for my daughter's sandwich, and some Ziploc bags, and we'll be all good in the motherfucking hood. Oh no, we ain't got time for that. People trying to pack her bags in front of everywhere. Guys, it was so freaking packed in there. It was so freaking packed. I was like, please, everyone, please, just let me shop and record in peace. Now I'm kind of hungry. I don't know. My uncle is also grilling at his house, so I'm just like, I think I'm gonna make it to the beach really quickly, and then I may end up there. I have no clue. I literally have, well, I do have a clue. I just don't know what order I want to do it. quick snacky snack before wherever I go. I don't know. I feel like you guys should be more high up. Maybe I should switch. Give me 1 second. Okay, I think that's better. Yeah. So, yeah. A little snacky snack. See the plate? Hold on. Let me show you. A little snacky snack before I go to the beach. It's crazy. It's crazy. Camera work is crazy. Yeah, before I go to the beach, I'm gonna have some snacks. I think I'm starving. I don't know, I can't tell. Love a cucumber. It is so hot outside too. It's like 90 degrees outside. But part of me doesn't want to leave the house. But I know that I need to take my daughter outside. Like, she loves being stuck on that couch and I refuse. Cucumbers are like always super refreshing. Guys, I still think we need to be higher. Maybe like this. Yeah, that's much. Can you guys stay up there though? That's the question. Ooh, yes, I prefer to be from this angle. So yeah, I also found out my mom's going to my uncle's house for prosciutto. They drinking over there. I'm not sure if I could do that. I'm not sure if I have it in me this weekend. So I probably won't be going there. It's like almonds. It's so good. I maybe had it up. When I say had it, I'm like, I have to. I think I may wear a hat. I really don't want to, but I think I have to, just because this is the time of year that Martinia Versacolor goes crazy. Like the spots, like I got it really clear recently. That sun, in the summertime, dark spots all over again from Martinia Versacolor. It's horrible. I hate it, but it happens. And also before I go, I have to prep my chicken for tonight. And Zoe forced me to start cooking again, so we're gonna have to do that. And I'll do it tonight. So I'm just gonna make something really basic. I'm just making chicken, rice, and probably a cob of corn. Probably also some green beans too, or broccoli. So something very basic. But yeah, I'll see you guys at the beach. Maybe I'll show me prep my chicken. I don't know. Yeah, bye. Okay, so we just got to the beach. Do not track my face. Okay, so we just got to the beach. It's a little chilly, child. It's a little chilly, but it's okay. You know, it's not that cold, but come on, Zoe. It's a little cold. It's definitely not like get in the water type of weather, but it's still pretty nice out here. Take a look, it's really nice. It's like right there. And what? So yeah, this should be a good time. Oh my god, guys, all the YNs are up. Like, I'm like, wait a second, what's going on? Bring me to where, let's go all the way that way. Bring me to where?
No.
Why?
Listen. I like it.
There's sand everywhere. Okay guys, we're here. So I totally thought my mic would be working and it's not. It's dead. And the most times that I need this mic, it's like right now. Oh my god. But it's dead. So I have to put it away. Okay, but we're here. Zoe has plans on making this sandcastle. I love it. I want to see how big this sandcastle is gonna be. I'm high-key excited. But yeah, there she goes, back for more water. Oh my god. It's so pretty out here. It's like packed. Like there's so many people here right now. And I'm excited. It's the first day back at the beach. I'm super excited. Everyone and their mother is here. Hold on, let me turn you guys around so you can see. So many people are here. It's not overcrowded, but I love that it's not overcrowded. Anyway, super pretty outside. Absolutely love it. Okay, this is why I live in Long Island. I love being able to just literally drive 15-20 minutes and be at the beach. Like I don't want to be anywhere where I cannot just be at the beach. Like please. But yeah, I don't want to be any place where I can't just pick up and go to the beach. That's another struggle that I have with wanting to live in France or possibly living in France. Like I don't want to live in the south of France. I would live definitely in Paris or the outskirts of Paris, but I know for a fact that requires me to let's see if this charges it. Is it charging it? I don't know. That would require me to not be near the beach. I have a huge problem with that. And that's why everyone's like, oh, you live in New York, why don't you live in the city? Because I want to be near the beach. Long Island is just the nice like cross between city and suburbs. I love it. Like we have everything here and more, technically. Should we like go over there? So are you going back right now? You should see like everyone has their food and stuff out and the rest of that. I didn't bring any food. I only brought water because I know for a fact Zoe and I do not stay at the beach that long. Zoe and I are locked in. Okay? We are locked in. We go to the beach, we have our little fun, we stay in the sun for but some amount of time, and then we're out. We're done. Why'd you put sand in there? Does that help? Oh, I didn't know that. Yeah, we put our little feet in the water, we do whatever, we hang out, and then we're gone. I think we spend like an hour, maybe even an hour and a half, and then we are out. Like no space for bringing food or whatever. The only time that we'll bring like food and stuff like that is when we're with other people, because we know other people like to stay much longer than we do. So that is the only time. But other than that, we're in and we are out, child. In and out. Like no time for nothing. Let me show you this water real quick. Okay, let's go to this one. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my god, I just saw the cutest baby. Let's go to this ocean. Let me turn you guys around. It's so pretty. You said the water's not cold?
No, it's fine.
Lies. Lies. Let me see you go put your all the way up to your ankle in it. Go ahead. Show me it's not cold. Oh my god. Oh my god. It is cold, guys. No, Zoe's a liar. It's cold. It is so cold. I'm not doing it. I can't. It looks very pretty. And we can watch it from here. But I'm not putting my toes in there. I don't know how people are getting in that water right now, but it is freaking cold. Girl, you lied to me. How dare you? She did not tell me the truth at all. It was freezing, okay? No. Yeah, that's the most that you're gonna get out of me going near that water. Ah, guys, I did something to my ankle in the middle of my sleep. I think I was sleeping with my feet straight up and my blankets are like really heavy. I think it was like straight up and it was like on, the blankets were like on my, like while my foot was like straight up. I think it was like creating some pressure or something. Like it freaking hurts. Whew. It hurts so bad. Whew. Uh-oh, babies are crying, child. Babies are crying. Whew. Alright, I think I have to make a few TikToks. So, give me 1 minute. I'm not familiar with this. You're doing a good job. It looks great. Hi! What's that? What's that? You gonna build one too? You gonna build one too? Wow. The cutest little boy ever. Oh my god. He's so cute. Zoe's getting down to business. Let me tell you, she's like, I'm building my base. Hold on. Let me show you guys. Ah. She is going in. How big is this castle gonna be? Pretty big? Okay. I can see why you need all the like water to do that. What? Ooh, 2 layers. We love that. Look it.
Them chocolate bitches are the star of the show in any room that they walk in. Them bitches are literally just beauty on the skin on the wall. Don't let her.
Hello. So we just got back in the house. Oh my god, the beach was so nice. We were at the beach, we just laid out. Zoe made sand castles, and I just scrolled social media and enjoyed the weather. Oh, excuse me. But now it's time for me to start cooking. I let my chicken marinate. Yeah, it's time to start cooking. Let's see. I'll just wash this off. I got a package in the mail. So my daughter's face has been going rogue, like, and nothing has been working well with her face come recent years. I feel like she's always had a problem with like skin products, but it's been going like a little overboard recently. So I saw who was it, Kyra's video, and I saw that she uses, what was it, what is it? Oh yeah, I saw that she uses Youth to the People or something like that. and I've noticed that a few other people used it, and it seems pretty good. It seems kind of more natural based and stuff like that. So I just got the tester to see if it works well with Zoe's skin. And I thought it was supposed to come like literally on the 21st, but it got here way earlier. Thank you, Amazon Prime. So this is just a little sample. Well, it's not sample, it's just like travel size. See? But yeah. So I thought this will work well on her skin. It comes with that cleanser, and it also comes with the, what is this? Oh my gosh. Ah. It also comes with the moisturizing cream. Can you guys see that? Focus in. So I'm hoping, crossing my fingers, that her face will get better. Like, it's literally like it looks a little nuts right now. So let's hope that these two things get it together. If it does, I will let you guys know, and in the future I will link it down below. Only 10 years old, so I don't want to use like really harsh products or anything like that, or like I don't know, whatever brands, you know, that people would use for acne. I'm not ready to use that on her skin yet. She's like too young. I want her to keep her baby skin. But yeah, we're back on the beach and I'm about to start cooking. So I'll let y'all see. Sorry, texting my neighbor. I told her I was going to the beach, but she was gonna join us later. But we're done. We're done with the beach. But yeah, I'm about to start cooking. Let's go.